Believing in yourself can be challenging, especially when self-doubt creeps in. To foster self-confidence, start by listing your past accomplishments, no matter how small, to recognize your skills and strengths. Engaging with supportive friends can provide valuable perspectives, so don't hesitate to ask them what they see as your strengths. Pursue causes you care about and set realistic, attainable goals aligned with your abilities, breaking larger goals into manageable steps to maintain motivation. Regular self-reflection at the end of the day helps you assess your progress and learn from setbacks. Remember to be persistent and don't shy away from stepping outside your comfort zone. Additionally, prioritize your own well-being while also nurturing your relationships, and practice positive self-talk to combat negative thoughts. This approach will gradually help you build a stronger belief in your self-worth and capabilities.